Random man appears.
Random daddy appear. Okay, so if
you have extra butter. Oh my god.
Sorry. We're gonna put it in the oven for damn it.
You can say 4 and then say at.
And quiche. What the frick should I say for that?
And a short crust pastry. Oh, what do you call it?
Okay, yeah, got it.
Okay, go.
Okay, and some short crust pastry in a pie. No, it's a quiche tin, not pie. We're gonna add the eggs to the bowl and whisk it until it's all combined.
What about the cream?
Yeah, I meant to say the cream.
You forgot it.
I forgot the cream. Should be on.
Maybe plug it in.
Yeah, maybe plug it in, that might help. While the crumb base of the brownie is baking, we're gonna make the actual brownie I don't know what I was gonna say. It was like compote. While the biscuit bases are cooking, we're going to make the raspberry coulis. Now we're going to be making the raspberry coulis for this. No one saw that. The raspberries should start to fall apart.
If they don't, you're doing it wrong.
If you don't, smash them.
That was an extreme close-up. Oh my god. Okay, go.
So now that our cake batter's done, we're going to fill our muffin.
Our mins.
Everybody. Lol. Okay, so this is a really easy recipe. Oh my god, my voice cracked.
I heard that was Go. What?
I can't stop. About 20 minutes. Okay, go.
She's lost her job. Betrayal.
Wait, where's my sieve?
Where's my sieve?
Where is the sieve at?
Where's my sieve?
I need my sieve, it's face protection. We've let it rest for about 2 or so minutes. We're going to take off about a golf saw.
Golf saw? What is a golf saw?
It's a really simple but essential thing I think everyone should learn how to know. And then top it with the crumbling and then crumbling.
Crumble.
Top it with the crumbling.
Crumbling.
Okay, now that the crumbles assembled,
Crumble. Assemble.
Crumble, assemble. White bubble mixture in to form a half shape for the ball. How the hell do I say
Just
that?
form the base of the Pokeball.
Okay.
The white base.
Yeah, thank you.
There you go.
Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going in.
Get your glove wrap.
Oh my god.
It's okay. Breathe. Calm. Collect. Oh my god.
No, it's just a really weak spoon, don't worry.
Oh. Okay, go.
Okay, now that our
Leek. Leek and garlic.
I was like,
oh my god, leek and garlic. Go. Oh, she's a dragon.
I'm dying.
Go. Okay, bye.
Ah!
When I say go, I don't mean leave.
Okay. So a tip to get all the leaves off of the stalk in a quick way is you go the opposite direction of the leaves and just
What now?
You go the opposite direction of the leaf. Okay, you know what? Screw it. Okay. Oh my god, like, sucker.
Episode Elise struggles with opening things.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Wait. There we go. Okay.
There's the
Yeah, I
door.
was like, wait, nope, he's going downstairs. About half a teaspoon of pure.
It's okay. It's
Is
okay.
it cold?
Pure sesame oil. It's alright. You can just go
Half
from.
a teaspoon of pure.
Go. It's so cute. Oh my god.
I forgot what I was gonna do.
Go.
Okay, so what you're going to need for the soup is a.
Motorcycle go.
No, they're fighting.
Not a motorcycle gang, as previously thought.
Alright, let's redo this.
That was really attractive. Don't spit in my food. What was that? Do you want to enunciate? No.
And 3/4.
Turn
So
that
rude.
copy machine.
So rude. Did you get that?
I think I might have. Oh! Oh! Oh my god.
Oh, hello. I don't know how that happened, but it was cool.
That was hilarious. Maybe that's enough blowtorching.
Let's eat. Let's eat it. Oh wait, no, yeah, we should do the cutting into it.
Yeah.
Hold it. I'll sit behind. Hold it. Oh, there we go.
These look so cool.
Hold it, stop. We need to get a close up. I just realized I'm like, oh, Steven! Dad loves mango. Dad! Father! Dad! Father figure!
Are you calling me, Elise?
No, I'm calling Dad. Dad! 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 Come try it. What the ham? What the ham? Is she a ham? She's a ham. Look at her.
Okay.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is... No, we haven't done anything yet. First. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to put our chicken and then cheese.
Turkey.
Damn it! Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want us to make any other food or recipes from anime, manga, TV shows, movies, games, let us know. Comment in the section below. Message us on social media. Talk to our faces. We're pretty friendly, so if you want to. But yeah, so see you next time. Bye.